Hello, and welcome to Life is What You Make It. Today I'm going to show you the computer workstation that I've built myself. Built the computers, and I've also built the desk. My workstation. So without further ado, as you can see, I've built a little platform for the chair to run on, because it's carpet in here. And the desk is completely built from an old wardrobe. As you can see, it's an L shape, because I've got quite a lot of equipment to fit on it. It goes quite a long way back, as you can see. Various different platforms, which hide cables. I've got quite a few monitors. I wanted a vertical monitor to give me that aspect when I'm working. I've got a 50-inch LCD TV as the main monitor. And that's the main workstation. As you can see, got a number of accessories, speakers and microphones, and you can see there's a boom microphone just here. And then I've got a double stacked monitor set up here, as you can see, and that runs on an old Dell Optiplex that I've upgraded to make it as fast as it would possibly go. I got that for £30 UK, very cheap. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's turned on. Hey Google, turn on study. So as you can see, it's all voice activated. And we'll turn on the main computer. I've also got a laser printer just there, Brother laser printer. I chose Brother because most of the time I'm actually running Linux, and it seems to be one of the better supported printers. The motherboard is an Asus. If anybody's interested, I can go into the specs later, but I just thought I'd show you it booting up and see what you think. I've also got this nifty little wall clock, as you can see. So it's just booting in. And the current version of Linux that I'm running is Fedora. And I've usually set it up. So this is my YouTube section, and that's Google Chrome. That's how I tend to set it up. And then the monitor at the side here I use for things like emails, or I'll have WhatsApp on there, or anything else I need to do that's just a little bit closer work, just to get a bit closer to it. I tend to put on that monitor. And then I've got this computer, which I'll just turn on now, which is the Optiplex. That's running Linux Mint. And I've connected an Xbox Connect to it, so I can use gestures to control it. And there's also a webcam in addition to the Connect. As you can see, there's a webcam over there as well. Floating shelf just above it. And something else that I did, and I'm going to tell you a bit more about this in a moment, is an old Kindle Fire 7, cost about £30. Don't use it for anything anymore because it's so slow, but it does allow me to use it as a stream deck. And I'll see if I can set that up for you shortly and show you all about it. So the dock is for a Microsoft Surface Pro tablet that I often use on the desktop as well. It's my mobile computer solution. So this is a program called Deckboard, and what you do is you install the mobile client on your tablet. So I've installed Play Store on the Fire tablet, and then you install the client on your PC. It works on Windows, Mac and Linux, and each one of those squares becomes a macro. And if I press on this one, my downloads folder comes up. So gives you an idea just how versatile old tech can be. And I'll put some links below on how you set it up, how you install Play Store on your Fire tablet. So we'll just log into Linux Mint. And you'll be able to see that one come up. There we go. That's Linux Mint. And I've also got a overhead lighting system for the monitor, which can change different colour lighting. You can change it with these buttons here, I believe. Oh, there we go. That just gives me enough light on the desktop when I'm working without having anything overhead dazzling too much. I've got the alarm here for any of my other tablets that I tend to use. It's just handy to put that on there while I'm working. And this little riser here has got USB built into the side of it, as you can see, as this one has just under here, just so I can get to my ports very easily without worrying about going to the PC. And under there I've got another little laptop I tend to use as well, and plenty of storage, 6 terabyte hard drive in there. So I've also got a wireless keyboard and mouse, Logitech, and underneath the desk, just because I like oldie games, I've got an old Xbox 360. So I hope you found that interesting. If you'd like to know anything else about it, please post it in the comments, and I'll see what I can answer. And if it requires another video to explain it to you, then I'll do that. Thank you, bye.